I'm certainly no florist, but I don't let that put me off having a go at a bit of floral arranging, especially when I see a floral trend that I really love. Now, in 2020, I'm seeing a lot of floral arrangements, bouquets and posies that feature soft, floaty florals. So that's what I'm going to have a go at. Looking through the inspiration photos that I've saved on Pinterest, I can see that the looks that I like are quite wild and eclectic, but the thing that brings them together is having flowers that all match in sort of tonal shades. So here I've got a gorgeous combination of berry colours. So I'm not going to overthink this, let's just get stuck into it. Well, that was really easy and it looks fabulous. I can't wait to head to the Melbourne International Flower and Garden Show this year for some more inspiration.